and win one or more seats. तो ये 3 कैटेगरीज हो गई। ये सवाल इसलिए फ्रेम हुआ था कि SIC of course had not contested the elections and had not won any general seats. So the question arose, for a party which has not won any general seats, even if independents in a large number join that party, can it be entitled to reserve seats under Article 51 as well as Article 106? That is why ये और का लफ्ज है, only to parties which have won seats or to all enlisted parties. To all enlisted parties में तो SIC आ जाएगी, but it will not come within the category of which has won and secured.
आपका स्टांस ये था, जो मुझे याद है, आपने कहा कि चूंकि 51 आर्टिकल 51D में लिखा है any party who secure,
जी बिल्कुल,
चूंकि I secured seats as a result of joining these candidates. That's why I'm entitled.
बिल्कुल मेरा
you have won. Anybody won the seat, that party is.
पहले कम से कम एक होनी चाहिए, फिर वो secure.
बिल्कुल सर. And the last question. क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ SIC क्लेम नहीं कर रही थी, बाकी सारी पार्टीज ने भी एप्लीकेशंस डाली थी कि ये सीटें SIC को ना दें, ये हमें दें. How is the proportionate representation of a political party to be calculated for the allocation of reserved seats under Article 51, 6D and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution? तो वो proportionate representation किस तरह calculate हो? क्योंकि ये भी हो सकता है कि the majority may have held that it will neither go to SIC or not to PTI, like the minority has held very forcefully, I must say, that the ECP was right, the order is right, which means it goes to other parties. So ये तीनों, ये तीसरी category भी थी कि can they be left vacant? If none of them are entitled, can these seats be left vacant? उसमें भी एक view लिया है majority